Uh, Hi Cheyenne. Uh, you get the second video because you asked for it first. But yeah, you know that. But, anyways, we gotta hang out sometime soon. Okay. Uh, Sorry about being so socially awkward. I'm just being me. But, yeah. Oh, look at my wallpaper. That wasn't supposed to happen. But, look at my wallpaper on my phone. Never mind. It said DTC down to cuddle. Best wallpaper ever. But, yeah. We gotta hang out sometime soon. And, stupid middle part. But, yeah. You're one of my best friends, and I'll do anything for you, okay? I love you. And, yeah. Okay, toodles, and text me later. Bye.